Mini lathe update. So, since buying this lathe, nothing but problems. No QC sticker, nothing. Lathe worked, didn't get to speed, backwards and forwards to supplier. Thought we'd come with solution. Then, turned it on over weekend. Power's on. Press the button, that's it, power should be on, nothing happens, nothing. You press the stop button, you can hear it clicking, as though it's taking the power away. Check the fuse is okay. Turn the power back off. We'll remove the cover just so they can have a quick look inside here. Pain in the ass on camera. Pain in the ass. And I'm not left-handed, so I'll have to use my right hand. So we bob these off. As you can see, I've started putting it back in box because I'm sick of this. I've had it a month, well, not a month yet, and basically nothing but trouble, nothing but problems at all. Well disappointed. As you can see in the back, lift it off. Okay. All the wires seem to be, all the wires are on. Yep, no loose connections. See what it does when I turn it on now. Obviously when we put the power back on, power to the lathe, it's the power to the lathe. Oh, we've got a little light. Okay, so we have a little light. So we've got a little light, no display, nothing. So disappointed in this lathe. Did my reviews on it, knew what I was buying. Cheap Chinese lathe. Didn't expect to have these problems. Not at all. To me, it must have been put together on a Friday, rush job, chucked in a box, shipped out. That's all I can think. As I say, so disappointed. Well, I've had enough. Literally had enough. It's going back in box, and I've done. Don't get me wrong, company I bought it off, they've been great. Give me a little refund, kept telling me to check things, but this can't go on forever. Nearly a month, not even used it. So, anyway, here we go. Mini lathe. Yeah, right.